Yeah, it's definitely going to feel like fall on this Monday as we start out the last full week of November. And temperatures are cool this morning. High pressure dominating to our north, but signs of the next storm system that's going to be pushing through already starting to show up in portions of the central plains with some isolated showers and maybe even a few snow flurries to the north. But here in the Delta, things are quiet, plenty of sunshine, definitely jacket-worthy weather this morning. However, temperatures now 44 in Greenville. Earlier we were in the mid-30s, so it is starting to warm up slightly, but that breeze from the north making it feel even cooler. And as for Greenwood, good morning to you guys. It is 42 degrees to the north. It's still in the 30s from Oxford to Tunica to Clarksdale, a little bit warmer down to the south. But again, here in the Delta, it's been a chilly morning, and we're going to see another chilly night tonight. But as we track out the rest of your day, really not going to see too much cloud cover. Most of the clouds will stay off to our west. And as we go through the evening, temperatures will drop again. It's going to be another cold night. Definitely want to keep that heat on. And then as we go into tomorrow, we're going to start to see signs of our next weather maker. Clouds will start to stream in tomorrow afternoon. We'll likely start off sunny with the clouds really starting to push in. And then as we take a look at late tomorrow into early Wednesday, that's when this storm system starts to track across the area. Now we could have some heavy rain, thunderstorms, even some severe weather from this, mainly Wednesday morning. That's going to be our best time frame because this is going to be pushing across the area. Out in front of this frontal system, we're going to see that deep, warm, moist air coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, bringing in that condition for the potential for some stronger storms. We're also going to have some mid-level wind shear, and when you add those two together, you have the chance for at least a few strong storms. But fortunately, this is going to be quickly moving, and by Wednesday evening into Thanksgiving morning, high pressure builds back in. It's going to be a little cool, but we should get some of that sunshine to return. But again, late Tuesday night, we start to see that severe threat showing up along the Mississippi River and westbound. It is just a level 1 out of 5 threat, but this is the first time we've had any kind of severe threat in quite some time. And then as we go into Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, you can see our entire coverage area in that marginal risk. So again, the best conditions look to be north of I-20 now, which is right here in the Delta. So I'm not expecting any widespread severe weather, but definitely have a way to receive those alerts before you go to bed Tuesday night, just to be safe in case a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning is issued, because again, this is our first fall severe threat of the year. So just be mindful, and you definitely want to take it seriously. And the best threat is probably going to be damaging winds between 2 and 11 on Wednesday morning. And it looks like the tornado and hail threat going to be a little bit lower, but an isolated tornado can never be completely ruled out anytime you have severe weather rolling through. So we'll continue to keep you updated on that. As for the temperature trend, up and down all week, mid-70s by the middle of the week, and then it's going to turn a little bit cooler heading into the weekend. And as we look ahead to next week into the first week of December, it's trending a lot cooler. We can in fact see our first widespread freeze event coming up probably at the beginning of next week. So that's something we're going to keep our eye on as well. But it looks like for today, it's going to be a beautiful day, plenty of sunshine, much cooler, highs of 60, area-wide upper 50s to lower 60s look to be the average. Definitely a textbook fall day for tonight. Lows of 38, mostly clear and chilly. Some locations dropping as low as 34 right there in Grenada, 36 in Cleveland, and 36 in Hollandale. So going to be another cold morning, and by tomorrow, we'll start to see those winds pick up from the south, bringing that warmer air ahead of our next system. That's going to bring some showers after midnight. But again, it looks like the severe threat really going to hold off till likely early Wednesday. It looks like we'll clear out briefly for Thanksgiving, but that's kind of just going to be the day in between two different weather systems because the rain moves back in very quickly by this weekend. So again, Bryce, I know Wednesday is a big travel day. Just be careful and give yourself a little extra time.
Yeah.